Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. The Ethereum chart is still pushing a little higher, step by step in baby steps, at least from the 15th of August low. We are watching here currently if the market can form the next 5-wave move to the upside. There are 2 wave counts, however, not convinced about the bullish one. The bearish one is also not very convincing, so we're just moving, in corrective structures up and down at the moment. That's what we're doing also on the Bitcoin chart, even though Ethereum's is even, I think, a little bit less clear. That's the thing. I think it's even a little bit less clear. Why is that? Well, it all depends on the microstructures, right? You can see here we have a 3-wave move down from the 14th of August high into the 15th of August low. Then we have a 3-wave move up into yesterday's high. So we're really dealing with these corrective structures up and down and up and down. And it doesn't really give us a very, very clear sense of direction. So we're dealing with those awful corrective structures in the subwaves, meaning we are dealing with those diagonal patterns, and they are always tricky to handle. Very, very tricky to handle. And we have to be very much on the side of caution, have to be careful. And it's literally just a larger sideways range, as you can see here. It's just basically just moving sideways. So that means we can still, when we see bigger moves like the one yesterday, we can add the next support region, micro support. So to support the white wave count, which allows for direct upside trend continuation, to complete a larger 3rd wave here, where the price should actually get to $3,075, $3,076, we need to see the price hold micro support. So that latest micro support area I added is defined between 2,594 and 2,646. And from here the price could start wave C of 3 in the white count, then form another 4-5 pattern to get there. That's the short-term bullish count, but we need to see it hold here 2,594. However, if we break below 2,594, then the yellow wave count will take the lead, which just means we are testing most likely the lower support area next, which is defined between 2,394 and 2,509 USD. So that's the lower support region. Upper support, lower support, and if the upper one breaks, we still have the lower support area, which means the B wave is likely still unfolding. That would be wave B of 3. It would mean that the C wave hasn't started yet. So either, in very simple, wave B either bottomed here on the 15th of August, or wave B is still unfolding. These are the two, let's say the 2 variations of that wave count that I'm observing. And we won't know until we see the price break either support, break the upper support area, or until we see a rally above yesterday's high, because that would more clearly indicate that wave C to the upside is actually unfolding. So we have to remain very much on our toes here. The move from yesterday's low could be a 5-wave move, so it might be wave A, but even if it's just a 3-wave move, bear in mind we're dealing here really with very, very ugly microstructures. Even if this was only a corrective rally, it could just be an A wave, okay? And that's the problem with these corrective structures. A waves can be 5-wave moves, they can be 3-wave moves. We always have to be very careful with those. So that's why there isn't, we can't really expect the price go higher until we get a nice 5-wave move up followed by 3-wave corrections. So far we haven't seen that. And because we haven't seen that, the market really has only been moving sideways. So there is not that clear setup that gives us a solid foundation for a substantial rally. Okay, so that's the thing. That's what we are watching here currently on the Ethereum chart. So overall, that would mean in a larger 3rd wave, we would like to see the market get to round about 3,075 or higher. That's here the next larger move up target, yeah. Then we should get another wave 4, and then we should get another wave 5, which should actually take us to 3,200 plus. But for now, the focus needs to be on whether we can hold here micro support. There are also some resistance levels above, including 2,722 and 2,750. You can already see that the market reacted to the golden ratio level here twice now, the 61.8 retracement. And that should give you all the parameters really to watch. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.